Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I'm AJ. This is for your YouTube followers and anyone that's in our chat room. This is our live video recap of what we did today in the great chat room we call Awesome Calls. Today was no doubt an amazing day for Tesla traders. I traded this many times, over 10, 11 times today. Green across the board on it. Loved it, enjoyed it, and had a 106-point run today. It was an incredible trade today. But I'm going to start with APT. On our books, APT basically made a statement that they received $10.4 million worth of orders for their masks. However, it is not on their books. There is nothing there. They have not received the funds yet. It's just all, hey, we got an order um, and all that stuff. And for me, it was just an all-day sell-off from $6.25 to $5 a share. As you can see clearly, the stock has hit $5.09 or $5.10. So I had $5.25 to $5, which is right dead center at $5.10. The next stock we did was a stock called Crisp. Crisp was gapping up on earnings. I called for short to 58 and under. In pre-market and at the open, the stock came all the way down to 58 and under. As you can see, it actually went down as low as 56, 54. After reading the earnings report, I determined what the stock would do, and that's what I called out. The next one was IFF. IFF, again, a nice earnings play. I read the report this morning, checked with my analyst. I felt the stock would just simply gap fill right back up to $136 a share. I wanted everyone to long the stock at 128, 129, and 131 to start. Per my notes, add on any weakness and look for stock to go to 136. Stock ended up going to $137 a share. Next stock we did was Alibaba. I really enjoyed this trade today. I played this many times on Alibaba, and I nailed it. Alibaba was their March numbers may get hit tremendously because of the coronavirus, unfortunately. However, the stock did get this is what happened when they made the statement. Stock sold off in their conference call because of the statement they made about that. When the conference call was over, the stock started getting resumed back. I told traders to start picking up the stock at 217, 218 a share. I was telling the traders the stock will get back up to 222. I actually think I said 224, if I'm right, on Alibaba right here. 222 to 223, the stock will get back up to. So start taking long at 216, 217. The stock will go back up to 222, 223, and the stock ended up going to 225, Alibaba. Next one we did was ESPR. We nailed this one today. This was gapping up. I caught this on Palmer and Bank the Trades Twitter feed. He noticed it up this morning. I would have never known, but he called it. I looked at it, did the research alongside him, determined there was no reason for this to be up, called for a pop at the open to 77 and a short to 71. You don't believe me? Look at the notes right here, predetermined before the market even opened. 77 top, 71 bottom, bottom curl, and be done with it. 77 top, there's 77, and there's 71 bottom. Precision at its best. Next stock we did was Waste Management. This is usually gets bought up on weakness. It's something I've studied for years and years. Told everyone to start buying the stock at 121, 122. Said the stock would rebound back to 124 or more. Waste Management went up all the way to $125 a share. Really good call there. Next one that I liked was a company called B. It's a small cap company. However, the stock was down over 25% based on earnings. It was down too much. I felt the stock was a buying opportunity at 8, out on 850. Look for the stock to go all the way rebound back to 10. The stock stopped around $9.70. Really good play there. I can give you Alibaba. Tesla, everyone traded that. So NATEP was good. RDFN was really good too. This was a quick one. Noel Zoom 530 played this morning to perfection. I called for a pop at open on the earnings from pre-market to the open, and the stock ran all the way quickly to almost 28.60 a share. Came down. I think the bottom I called on this was 27. Hold on. If I did, this will be one of our plays. I said 26.50. Oh, wait a minute. No. 27 a share. If this sells off at the open hard, 26 to 27, and then bounce it to 29. Wow, I did say that. But if the open gap fills to 26, so if it, okay, I know what I wrote. If this gap fills to 26.50, yeah, add more to it. But yeah, no. I called it, pull it open at 27 and 29 pop. And if you want to look at the stock, I did call it perfectly. 27 bottom and $30 top. So we will add that to our list today, RDFM. Okay, so that is today's live webinar recap. Thank you so much. I look forward to trading with you.